Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. Good morning everyone. Dear children, in previous part we learned laws of exponents and some problems solved using by the laws of exponents. Let's see some more problems on laws of exponents. Let's see here 2 plus 7 equal, we have to write 9. Yes or no? So when you write equal, left side value, right side value should be equal. Suppose if I write here 3 power x equal 3 power 4. What happened now? The two powers should be equal. These two powers should be equal. In this, the bases are equal, then must be equal to the exponent. So, what is the x value? X value equal to 4. X value equal to 4. Suppose, if I take here 5 power 6 equal x power 6. Clearly observe that I have taken two powers are equal. In these two powers, exponents are equal. Whatever base, they should be equal. So, x equal to, we will get 5. Yes or no? So, if two powers are equal, then exponents should be equal and bases also should be equal. Using this small concept, we are going to solve these problems. Find the value of x such that, first problem, 25 into 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 power 8. Let's take the first problem here. 25 into 5 power x is equal to 5 power 8. Dear children, 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means 5 square. So, 25 I am writing here 5 square into x power 5 power x is equal to 5 power 8. I changed only 25 as 5 square. Then we know that when two powers multiplying with the same bases, exponent should be add. So 5 power 2 plus x, here multiplying these two powers, exponent 2, here exponent x, 2 plus x is equal to 5 power 8. So, my dear children, here formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. We have used this formula. And if you observe these two, left side, right side powers, bases are equal. Here base 5, here also base 5. What are the exponent? They should be equal. So, 2 plus x is equal to 8. This is the linear equation, one variable. We know that the solution of this equation, these two transfer right side. Then remaining here x, RHS 8. If you transfer here, nothing means plus symbol. Plus transfer right side become minus. So, x minus 2 equal to 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So, x equal to 6. This is the final answer. How easy, children? Yes or no? Go to the next problem. Go to the next problem. Here, he had given 1 by 49 into 7 to the power of 2x equal 7 to the power of 8. Dear children, now 1 by 49 and transfer to the right side, then 7 power x, 7 power 2x. 7 power 2x is equal to 7 power 8 into 49 by 1. 49 by 1 nothing but 49 only. So here 7 power 8 into 49. 49 can be written as 7 into 7. 7 into 7 equal 7 square. So I am going to write here 49 as 7 square. 7 square. Then here 7 to the power of 2x is equal to, we know that the product of two powers, the product of two powers with the same bases, product of two powers with the same bases, we should be at the exponent taking as the base 7. So 7 to the power of 8 plus 2. Yes or no? Now here bases are equal. Here bases are equal. Bases are equal. Then what happened? Exponent should be equal. Exponent should be equal or must be equal. Must be equal. So dear children, when equal sign with between two powers with the same bases, then exponent should be equal. So here 2x equal to 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So x equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. So x equal to 5. This is the solution of the second problem. Very easy, no? Now take another problem. 3 power 6 whole power 4 is equal to 3 power 12x. Here power of power. If a power has exponent, then exponent should be equal. That means we know that formula a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So this can be written as 3 power 6 into 4 equal 3 power 12x. And here 6 4s are 24. 3 power 24 is equal to 3 power 12x. If bases are equal and exponent should be equal, that implies we will get here 12x is equal to 24. So x equal to, we will get 24 by 12. 12 ones are, 12 twos are equal to 2. So x equal to 2. How easy? Yes or no? Dear children, when we are writing base and exponent, the exponent should be write small size than base. Always exponent write small size than base. Approximately half size of the base should be write as exponent. And here next problem, minus 2 whole power x plus 1 into minus 2 whole to the power of 7 equal minus 2 whole to the power of 12. Here the powers are minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 into minus 2 to the power of 7. When we are going to multiply two powers with the same basis, minus 2, same basis, exponent should be added. So if you write the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, this is the formula. Better to remember like this, when two or more exponent multiplying with the same base, exponent should be added. So minus 2 whole power x plus 1 plus 7 is equal to minus 2 whole power 12. So here minus 2 whole power x plus 1 plus 7, 8 is equal to minus 2 power to the power of 12. So here bases are equal. What happens? Exponent should be equal. Exponent should be equal. So x plus 8 is equal to 12. X equal to 12. If you transfer plus 8 right side, it become a minus, equal 4. So x equal to 4. How nice. Very simple problem. Go to the next problem. You also try yourself. I will do on the blackboard. Do yourself on the blackboard, on your paper. What is the problem here? 2 power 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. Dear children, this one 2 power 2 to the power of minus 3. This power with exponent negative. We know that when exponent as negative, we have to convert exponent as positive by writing the reciprocal. So here 1 by 2 power 3, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. So we know that formula a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. We know this formula. Otherwise, when you convert an exponent, negative exponent as positive, write the reciprocal of this power. Without sign, 2 power 3 reciprocal is 1 by 2 power 3. So if you equalize these two and if you do the cross, 1 equal, in denominator should be equal, 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power x. So bases are equal. What happens? Exponent should be equal. X equal to 3. X equal to 3. My dear children, this problem can be written, you can solve here. 2 power minus 3 is equal to, if you write the minus for x, when exponent convert negative to positive, positive to negative, we have to write the reciprocal of the given power. So this one can be 2 power minus x. Bases are equal, exponent should be equal. Minus 3 equal to minus x, minus minus cancel, x equal to 3. This is the other method. So my dear children, using the laws of exponent, you can solve all type of problem. It very useful to in higher classes. Children, now some more applications on exponent and powers. Let's take the some problems here. 3.337000. To write 37,000 I'm going to write here 37 into 1000. So 37 into 1000 can be written as 10 power 1, 2, 3. 10 power 3. How many zeros? As much exponent. Suppose 9,000,000,000. That means here how many zeros here? 90 millions. So 9 into 10 millions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to avoid long number, to avoid the long one, you can write in short form 9 into 10 power, how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 power 7. 10 power 7. Very easily we can write, children. So how can we write this one? Here 5 million or 50 lakh. How to write 50 lakh? 5 into, I am going to write directly this time. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 into 10 to the power of 6. Is it clear? Very easy, no? Now suppose 89,000,000,000. Let us suppose you take this one. And here 789 millions. So this can be written as 789 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6. Suppose if I take the points, decimals. Suppose this can be written as a decimal 789 equal 7.89 into 100. Yes or no? 7.89 into 100 is equal to 789. 789. Suppose 46. 46 may be written as 4.6 into 10 because after one digit decimal point, so 1 after 1 0. After 2 digits decimal point, so 1 after 2 zeros. Now what happened here? What is the answer? 6,749 is equal to, can be written as 6.749 into how much can be written here? 1000. Why? Here 3 digits after point. 1 right to left. 1, 2, 3. 3 after decimal point. So we have to multiply this one. 1 after 3 zeros. 1 after 3 zeros. So it can be written as 6.749 into 10 power 1, 2, 3. So this one can be written as 789 can be written as 7.89 into 10 power how much? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros. Or after 2 digits after point, so power 2. After one digit after point, so power 1. Nothing, need not to write 1. 3 digits after point, decimal point, so power 3. So how can we write here? Now this one, this result I am going to write 789 millions 7.89 into 10 power. Already here zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then remaining 2 here. So if you take the point here, 2 zeros extra. So here total will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power of 8. When the given large number taking one digit in the decimal integral part and remaining the decimal part, this form is called the standard form. This is known as the standard form. So the standard form of 789 million is equal to 7.89 into 10 to the power of 8. Suppose if I take here 15,000 centimeters. Now how can we write this one? 1.5 into 10 to the power of 1 point. That means this after point here. So how many are there remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power of 8. Very easy, no? Suppose now 25 lakh. 25 lakh you can write here 256. Always you take one digit after point. From left to one digit after point. So 2.56 into 10 to the power of how much should be right? After 2. Close the 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Suppose 5, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Suppose if I take here 0, 0, 0. How can we write here? 2.578 into 10 to the power of 1 digit after. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 children. Yes or no? Suppose if I take here taking here 3 crores. So 3 point, no non-zero numbers. There exists only one non-zero, that is a 3. So write 3 into 10 to the power of remaining digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power of 7. So my dear children, to write the biggest number, the largest number, using by 10 powers, you can write very easily. Let's the distance between moon and sun, the distance between earth and sun, the distance between two planets, the speed of light. These all type of big numbers, large numbers, you can write in shortcut using by exponents. This system is known as the standard form or scientific notation. Standard form or scientific notation. Let's see the here problem given. The speed of light is 300 millions. Then meter per second. How to write in scientific notation or standard form? Let's write easily. 3 into 10 to the power of here. 3 after. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 into 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Next, the distance from the sun to the earth given. So how to write this one? Very easily. You take one digit here after point, 1 point. What is the non-zero digits here? 496. 496 into 10 to the power of, we are going to write 10 to the power. How much should be write? You have to count 1 after point. So you have to close 1 and remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 to the power of 11. Whatever units given, you write units as it is, meters. Very easy now. These are the large numbers. They are representing scientific notation or standard form. Let's take the small numbers. The small number, thickness of paper, and bacteria, size of the bacteria. These are all very small size. The radius of cell. Let's see, 0.00078 mm. Suppose if I take the thickness of tiny paper is 0.00078 mm. Dear children, we know that when we are going to write standard form, that means scientific notation, here non-zero digits 7, 8 start from 7. So you have to write 7 point you write the first 7, so 7.8. I written the 7.8. Here non-zero numbers 7 only, 7, 8. It is a 7.8. So 7 after point we written here. So this one can be written as 10 power. How many zeros here? How many digits are the left side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we count right to left, we have to take minus. Before we had count left to right. 0, 0, 0. How can we written here? 3.7 into 10 to the power of. Here point and leave this one. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have taken plus 5. So in this, we have to take the first digit, non-zero digit here, non-digit 0 after point 2. So from point to count from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you count right to left, we have to take the minus 10 to the power of minus 5. To understand this one, I will explain with another example. Suppose 0.0043. Let us suppose this 0.0043 we can add the 43 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 40, if I take here point here 4.3 into 10. 43 can be written as 4.3 into 10. And denominator right as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0 will be cancelled. Remaining 4.3 by 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power 4. That means 4.3 into 10 power. When you write the reciprocal of a power, the exponent become negative. Positive become as negative, negative become as positive. Here positive, so it become a negative minus 4. That means I written here 0.00043 4.3 10 power minus 4. That means if I keep here point, and from point to left side, this one, you have to count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4. So I written like this. Take the another example. 0.000000426. Let us suppose Now here decimal place. This decimal place we have to keep here. We have to keep here, put it here. So we have to write like this 4.26 into 10 to the power of. You have to count from point where we kept point here. You count from here. You have to count from here to decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power of minus 7. Very easy, no? Suppose one more problem. 0.000000087. Let us suppose 87. So water may be given the, let us know, kilometers or millimeters. So we have to keep point here. So 8.7 into 10 to the power of, how much should we write? We have to write negative only because we are counting right to left. So we are reducing the decimal place. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 to the power of 11 millimeters. How easy, children, to write the smallest number? The smallest number can be written as using by negative exponent. Let's see some problems I had given here. Size of bacteria 0.00004 meters. So we have to write 4 into, here no point here. 4 into means we have to keep point here. If I keep point here point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. Yes or no? Suppose if I take the size of red blood cells, the size of red blood cells is 0.00007 millimeters. So this can be written as 7 into 10 to the power of, first digit here only, no, we have to keep point here. So from here we have to count from here to decimal place, here to decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 6. Clear? And like this problem, the charge of an electron is, 0.0000000016 coulombs. So we have to write here point non-zero decimal place here. Point we have to keep here. So we have to keep here point 1.6 into 10 to the power of, from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So minus 18 coulombs. Very easy, children. So my dear children, to write the smallest numbers, largest numbers using by exponent and powers, very easily we can represent. This type of numbers is known as the standard form of the scientific notation. Children, I would like to explain one problem here, and usually students are doing errors. Suppose 3x power minus 1 equal, they will write 1 by 3x. Is it true? 3x power minus 1 is equal 1 by 3x. Is it true? Is a false. Why? Is a false. Because the exponent is the minus 1 base. What is the base here? X only. The exponent for only base x. So we have to write 3 x power minus 1 equal to 3 into x power minus 1. So 3 into 1 by x. So we have to get 3 by x. So the power is most important, and also using bracket also important. Suppose if I given this problem 3x whole power minus 1, then you can write here 1 by 3x. Here base is a 3x. Before base only x. So we have to write 3 by x, here 1 by 3x. One more problem here, 2 power 3 whole power 6 whole power 2. Let us suppose is equal to 2 power 3 2. Is it true or false? Are these two equal or not? 2 power 3 whole power 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Are they equal or not? Let's see. Here 2 power 3 whole power 2 means 3 power 2 power 3 into 2 equal to 2 power 6. But here 2 power 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. So 2 power 9. This is the 2 power 9. This is the 2 power 6 and this is the 2 power 9. So these two are not equal. So my dear children, when you are doing exponent and powers problem, and you have to clarify what is the base, what is the exponent. So using the laws of exponent, you have to solve all problems in your textbook and do the application problem. You will get the more knowledge. Thank you very much watching my video.